In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation using AI in just 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to harness the power of artificial intelligence to create compelling and informative presentations quickly and effortlessly. So let's dive right in and explore how this innovative process can enhance your productivity and presentation design. First, let's start with the basics. You'll need to have Microsoft PowerPoint open on your computer. If you don't already have it open, take a moment to launch the application. PowerPoint is a versatile tool used worldwide for creating presentations for business, education, or any other occasion that requires sharing information visually. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to open the specific file you wish to work with. If you're starting from scratch with a new presentation, you can simply open a blank presentation, or if you prefer, open an existing file that you want to enhance with the help of AI. With your file open, the next move is to navigate to the Home tab. You'll find this at the top of the PowerPoint interface. The Home tab is your gateway to many of the essential features you'll frequently use within PowerPoint, including layout options, font and paragraph settings, and much more. Now here's where the magic of AI comes into play. In the Home tab, look towards the rightmost part of the ribbon interface for something called add-ins. The add-ins feature in PowerPoint enables you to extend the capabilities of your presentation software beyond its out-of-the-box functionalities. These add-ins can provide you with additional tools and features not originally included with PowerPoint. After clicking on add-ins, your next task is to search for an AI tool named Sheet Savvy AI. This is a powerful AI add-in designed to automate and simplify the creation of presentations. Once you find Sheet Savvy AI, go ahead and install it. This process might take a few moments, but it's pretty straightforward. Simply follow the prompts provided by PowerPoint to complete the installation of the add-in. Now, with Sheet Savvy AI installed, you are all set to leverage the power of artificial intelligence in creating your PowerPoint presentations. This AI tool can generate content, design layouts, and offer suggestions to improve the overall quality and effectiveness of your presentation. It's like having a personal assistant that's well versed in the art of crafting presentations. As you begin to use Sheet Savvy AI or any AI tool, remember to review and customize the generated content. While AI can provide a solid foundation and suggest creative elements you might not have considered, your personal touch will ensure the presentation accurately reflects your intended message and style. To wrap things up, let's quickly summarize the steps we've covered. 1. Launch Microsoft PowerPoint and open your desired file. 2. Navigate to the Home tab at the top of your screen. 3. Locate and click on add-ins on the right side of the ribbon. 4. Search for Sheet Savvy AI within the add-ins store and install it. 5. Start using the AI to generate and customize your PowerPoint presentation. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating professional and captivating presentations with the help of AI. This innovative approach not only saves time, but also allows you to explore creative possibilities that may not have occurred to you before. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, an academic lecture, or any other presentation, utilizing AI can significantly enhance the quality and impact of your work. Remember, the key to a successful PowerPoint presentation lies in effectively communicating your message. While AI tools can offer remarkable assistance in design and content generation, always ensure that your final product aligns with your objectives and resonates with your audience. That's all for today's guide on how to make a PowerPoint by AI in just 5 minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now equipped to bring your presentation ideas to life with the help of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.